I'm Paul Detweiler. I'm the general manager of the Ohio Heifer Center based here in South Charleston, Ohio. The Ohio Heifer Center is the home base of ST Genetics. We house 5,500 dairy animals here at the farm in South Charleston. We have approximately 60 people that work here on the farm that are caring for the animals, feeding the animals, and attending to the standards of care that we establish for the farm. ST Genetics purchased this facility in the fall of 2010. At that time, we were involved in exporting pregnant dairy animals to Turkey and to Russia. We have since evolved into being a full functioning, ordinary dairy farm doing extraordinary things. We milk cows, we feed calves, and everything in between. The Ohio Heifer Center was originally called the Ohio Feedlot, and it was completed in 1968 and operated as a beef feed yard until it was purchased by ST Genetics. There were originally 8 barns, each 1,440 feet long by 82 feet wide. This farm is also the largest permitted cattle farm by the Ohio Department of Agriculture. Our permitted number of animals is 9,800, and we currently have 5,500. The goals of the Ohio Heifer Center and ST Genetics include producing feed-efficient animals through our ecofeed program, which are animals that produce more on less feed, and also reproductive technologies that increase the effectiveness of sex semen usage. Our focus here at the Ohio Heifer Center on environmental stewardship starts with the way that we house our animals and the welfare of our animals. It's very important that all of our animals are clean and dry, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All of our animals have free access to a bedded pack that is clean and is dry. The basis of that bedded pack is our recycled bedding, where we remove spoiled bedding, take it to our manure facility, dry it, and then place it back into the pen. That happens at a frequency determined by the size of the animal, either multiple times a week or once every 2 weeks. One of the goals of the Ohio Heifer Center is to produce an operation, an ordinary dairy farm that does not apply any nutrients to the land. That statement itself goes counter to what most people think about farms and applications of manures. But we are trying to recycle every part of the manure and feed it back into our system of animals that we have here. For example, in our manure separation barn, we're separating the fiber from the liquid manure to add it to our stockpile of spoiled manure that gets recycled, that goes back to the bedding pen. In the future, we're working on a filtration system that will actually separate the water from the nutrients and allow us to create either a potable water that could be discharged or a potable water that could be treated and fed back into the cattle's drinking supply. The whole goal here, and the way we define sustainability, is trying to use every single part of our operation on our operation.